Welcome to the Build a Site with WordPress course. What we're going to be doing is building a website step by step, and step one to doing this is to go to GoDaddy.com. From here you want to type in the domain name that you're looking to get. In this case, it's Build a Site with WordPressCourse.com, and you search. And in this case, luckily it's available. If it weren't, what you would do is try a variation. And what you want to do now is add. From here you continue to check out. Just keep clicking continue. What you do from here is check the length of time that you do want to keep this domain name, and I highly suggest it's not 1 year, that you get at least 2 years. And you have a choice to round up for charity. I have so many domain names that I'm not going to bother this time, of course. And you click on checkout. Now if you have a coupon code, there would be a place coming up that would allow you to add it. From here you can pay with PayPal or pay with a credit card. I'm going to choose pay with PayPal. And I'm going to enter my password and log in, and I'll be right back. And I agree and continue. You have successfully created a billing agreement. Continue to GoDaddy Domains. From here, place your order. Now what you would want to do would be log into your account. After you're logged in, you click on My Account. Domains, and you find the account that you just made. And you click on Launch. Scroll down and you find Set Name Servers. Right here, this is the GoDaddy name servers, so if you were hosting with GoDaddy you would leave this. But I highly suggest finding a good web hosting company and set name servers. You click on I have specific name servers for my domains, and you type in the name server of your web hosting company, which of course you can get from your web hosting company. Ours is an S1. SakuraProject.co. and ns2.sakuraproject.co. Now we are not by any means a web hosting company, but if you would like to host on the same server as us, let me know and I will set this up for you. And you click OK. Now this is saying these changes usually take 2 hours. However, it may take up to 48 hours for these changes to take effect. These time frames are estimates and not guaranteed. And click OK. Our next step from here is going to be adding WordPress to our web hosting account. In order to do that, let's go to a WordPad document and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, to log into your cPanel, yourdomainname.com/cPanel. In this case, it's build a site with WordPressCourse.com/cPanel. So let's go do that. Okay, we type that in here. Hit enter. And from here you enter in your username and password, which I'm going to do, and then log in. And from here you have the option of going through their getting started videos. But this course is going to teach you everything you need to know. So, alright, when we go to upload our WordPress to our web hosting account, they're going to ask us for an email address. And I may as well show you right now how to get a professional email address on your own domain name. And this applies to a business website or a personal website or you name it. This is just how to get your email address. So to do that, just click Email Accounts. And we're going to actually have these email addresses forwarded straight to your favorite email address. You type in the name that you want right here. So this is going to be john@buildasitewithwordpresscourse.com, and type in a password, same password again. And since this is your email account, make it unlimited, and then create account. I'm going to make a second one here since this is a business website. Admin, password, unlimited, create. Now we hit our back button and we go to forwarders. What we want to do is add forwarder and address to forward. This gets forwarded to any email address that you choose. It could be Hotmail, it could be Yahoo, it could be Gmail. I'm going to forward it to john@johnjarvistraining.com. Add forwarder. And I go back. I add another one. Admin. Same thing. Add forwarder. Okay, now back on cPanel, what I'm going to do is actually upload WordPress. You scroll down to the bottom and you look for Softaculous. Some web hosting companies use cPanel with Fantastico in the back office. Some use Softaculous, which is the one that we happen to use, and they're both basically the same. So with Softaculous, to upload a WordPress, we simply click here. And what we want to do is install WordPress, so we click on WordPress. From here, install. Okay. In directory here, we delete. For site name and site description, don't worry about this for now because our plugins are going to handle this. What you do now is pick out an admin username and password, and admin email, use what we just created. And right here you put the same email address because you want these details to be emailed back to you so that you'll have them for future use. And then you click install. And I'm going to do that right now and be back shortly. Okay, our WordPress is installed. Let's go and log into our dashboard in our new website. What you do is enter your username and your password that you just picked out. Now this is different than your cPanel username and password. Your control panel, your username and password will come along with your web hosting. And this is the username and password that you just picked out. So you enter it and you log in. This is what you're going to see when you first log into your brand new website, and what you do not want to do is write your first blog post. We have a lot of stuff that we have to do before we're ready for that. Let's take a look at this website. This is on the 2012 WordPress theme, and it's not very professional to say the least. And we have a long way to go between here and where we're going to be.